Hey, lovelies. So I found a way on how you can mine Pi faster, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And it's actually a scratch my back, I scratch your back kind of mining. Yes, it means we're going to be helping each other to get more Pi every hour, every 24 hours too. So before then, I just want to say happy new month to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for joining this channel. Thank you for your comments always, your likes, your shares. I see everything at the back end of my YouTube channel, and it's been amazing. Your support has been massive. You guys are the regis. Now to my channel members, thank you guys so much. You guys are so awesome. These are my VVIP members. Thank you for your support. Thank you for joining the membership platform. So once again, I say happy new month. I want to see more of your support in this new month. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side where I'm waiting for that job offer, or even as a side also. I also share my no fuel commercial recipes on cakes, small chops, food trays, commercial drinks from time to time. So this is that channel you want to subscribe to. So this is my pie. You can see that most time we discover that you might have a lot of referrals mining your pie, a lot of referrals on your referral team, but only few of them will be mining, the rest will be inactive. Now we have some active members, so let us help ourselves, right? Let's help ourselves to have more pie. So if I come here now and I click on this three button burger sign here, I open it, you're going to see Pi browser, and you need to download this Pi browser from your app store or your play store. So on my play store, on my phone, I already have this Pi browser installed. So once I click on this Pi browser, it's going to take me to a different dashboard of Pi. So I'm going to comment, it's going to tell you install and sign into Pi browser. If you've not installed it, you need to install it, but I have done that. So I'm just going to come here and click on sign into Pi browser. As you can see, it brought me to the app, and it's just going to authenticate and confirm that I have signed in properly. Now if you've not signed in properly, you need to sign in. If you just downloaded the Pi browser, you need to sign in properly. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, do me a big favor, do yourself rather a big favor and join the Telegram channel, because that is where I drop updates from time to time. So I'm just, once you're on Pi browser and you sign in correctly, you're just going to come here and click on this place that shows profile. Once you click on that profile, you're going to wait for it to load just like this. So I love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I love to respond to your questions in the comment section. Do me a big favor, ask questions always. I respond to your questions irrespective of how many times you ask a question. I'll definitely respond to you. Yes, that's one content creator on YouTube that definitely responds to your comments. So you're going to come here, I'm going to click on edit. You come here first, you click on edit, you make sure I've done a step-by-step tutorial on how to mine Pi. I think I will share that video again in the description box of this particular video so that you can see, for those of you who just want to start mining Pi. By the way, let me gist you guys something. When I started mining Pi late last year, I did not inform my family members about it because I felt like they will be interested, most especially my dad who likes most of this testnet project. I did not inform him. So recently, one of his colleagues at work, my dad is a doctor, one of his colleagues at work introduced him to Pi, and my dad called me on the day Pi was listing, and he was like, do I know about Pi? I'm like, you're asking me if I know about Pi? I say, yes, I know about Pi. And he said, I did not tell him. He said, well, one of his colleagues referred him to Pi, and I was registered. Do you know my dad carried Pi on his head? Like, he started inviting all his friends personally going to some of his friends' houses rather, and inviting them to join Pi, making sure they start mining Pi, calling them almost on a daily basis to ask them if they have mined their Pi for today. And his referral network is so tight. Like, I was not feeling pain that if I've told him I was mining Pi, all this is referrals have been under me. Like, hey, it's now like his referral network is so tight. I wish I had somebody like that on my own referral network. It would be so nice. Call them almost every day to ensure that they're mining Pi. If you see any of his referral isn't active, you call the person and after exchanging pleasantries, ask them to start mining Pi. Like, it's so amazing. So now you come here, you edit your username. If you've not done that, I've already done that to myself, and now this is where we're going to do. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. So you're going to copy this my username, and you're going to follow me, and I'm going to follow you. So I'm copying I'm going to paste it. So you copy your username, you're going to paste it on your social media, ask your active members from mining Pi to follow you, and then you make sure you follow them back. That is how we're going to grow ourselves, to boost ourselves. So if for instance you have somebody that's like a friend, you just come in and write the @ of the person name, the person's name. Let's say I'm just writing someone's else name. I don't have any person I'm following. Let me write Precious. I don't have anybody on my referral team going by the name Precious. I'm just writing this. Let me search for Precious. Yeah, just like this. Okay, let's say I know this person. I don't know this person. So let's say I know this person now. Let's say it's part of our scratch my back, I scratch your back mining strategy. You come here, you now click on follow and follow this person. Once you follow this person, you click on send request to this person. You click on follow, you click on send request. Once you've done these two things, then you will now go back to your own dashboard and wait. So that person will now go to our own dashboard, profile setting here. Apart from this place here, once your friend sends you a request, or once someone sends you a request, you come to this view friends. Once you click on view friends, you are going to see requests here. You see your list of friends here, right? You see your list of friends here. Then you see requests here, and you also see a number written up here, like number of requests you have. Then you click on that request. I don't have any. I'm not sent any. And then you accept the friend request. Don't reject. It's an option to reject, and there's an also option to accept. Since we are doing scratch your back, I scratch my back kind of mining, you're going to click on accept your friend request. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come here to this profile settings. You click on this profile settings just like this. Now you want to make sure that your account is on public. Your display name or username is on public. If it is not on public, it means that when people search for you in the search icon on the search bar, they're not going to see your username. So you will now come to this place that shows account permission. Once you click on this account permission, you make sure this place that shows full name visibility is showing public. If yours is showing private, you click on this drop down button here. Once you click on this drop down button, you now choose public. Make sure it's not on private only or friends only. Make sure it's public, so that when people search for you on the Pi browser, they're able to see you and follow you and send you friend requests, right? And then you also make sure that this place that is showing followers enabled is turned on, not off. If it's turned off, people are not going to be able to follow you. So I want you guys to do something for me. This is my username. I'm going to paste it on this video. I said that this video, you follow me and I'll also follow you back. I would definitely follow you back. Once you follow me on Pi, just leave me in the comment section. I have followed and drop your username. I will definitely follow you back. You know, I am one with a great content creator that will definitely that always sticks to a promise, right? So once you follow me at Sussy's Cakes, like the Sussy Cakes, I will definitely follow you back. So let's do this for one another so that we also increase our mining rate on Pi, yes, and so that we cut down to the minimum in active members on Pi. So that's all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the subsequent video. Bye for now.